Okay, here's a video how you are going to use IXL. So let me explain that first before you log in, so you know what to do after you log in. Your name will be here. Obviously this is my page, my account here, but obviously I'm just showing you this just to demonstrate. Okay, so you'll click into your skill, right? You'll see that when you log in, but once you get to start, when you're going to start with these problems, here it's going to tell you the number of questions that you're answering, which is not really going to matter, and you'll see why right now. Here, I'll see how much time, and I'll be able to see all this, by the way. I'm able to log in and I can see how much time you spent, how many questions you answered, what score. Here's the main thing, what's the score? I'm going to tell you what score to get. Sometimes you'll have to go up to 100. Now that doesn't mean 100 problems. That means, sometimes easy problems are 3 points and then 5 points, and then you'll see you'll get to like 50 or 80 or whatever pretty easily. Anyways, so you'll have a problem and you're not gonna just be able to look at it and know the answer, right? You're gonna have to have a separate piece of paper and you're gonna have to work it out. And then here you're just gonna enter the answer. Right, so you're gonna have to do the work on the side and then come back and put the answer. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the answer here. Let's see if I get it right. I will get, put this here. And if you get it right, good. This program is adaptive. It adapts. So if you're getting the problems correct, it's gonna increase in rigor. And if you start getting some of these wrong, it's not gonna move you up. It's gonna kind of keep you there. And then when it sees that you do 1 or 2 or more of those correct, then it'll move you up. And if you keep getting them wrong, well, your score is also going to keep going down, and that's what you don't want to happen. Okay, so I'm going to keep going, and you'll see, right, I got one of them right, see, I got 10 points. I'm going to get another one right, and now I got 19 points. Okay, and then you're just going to, again, you're going to have to work these out on the side. And you see the score is already 28 and I already only did 3 questions. Okay, but let's say you get them wrong. Whatever, I'll put a wrong answer here. Okay, the good thing is, see, it says sorry, incorrect, but then it has an explanation. There's a review here. It gives you something you can look at, something you can read. It shows you the steps or maybe how you should have done it or how it needs to be done. And then once you study that and you see how it's supposed to be done, you just kind of hit got it. And then you can move on. Okay, what I also wanted you to see, and then when you're done and when you reach a score, right, when you reach a score of 50 or 80 or whatever I say, all you have to do is you don't have to submit it, you just log out. Again, I'll see all the results, I'll see all the scores. But what I also wanted you to see is something like this. I don't know why it's not showing me right now, but let me just pick something else. Hold on, I just saw it. Quadratic equations, here it is. Okay. Let's say you're starting this, right? 0 questions, 0 score. Let's say you see a problem, and some of them that are new or different, let's say you don't know or you forgot. See, it says here, learn with an example. So you can actually click it here, and then it'll show you how to work it out. So it kind of gives you help, and it kind of, explains how you should be working it out. Maybe the way that they're showing you here is not maybe the way that I'm teaching you, but hopefully it's as close as what I'm doing. Okay, and once you kind of see what you need to do or how to solve that particular problem, well, you go back and then you can start. Okay, that is it. Any other questions? Let me know, or I'll put another how-to video. All right, there it is.